How to remove anything from an image in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by loading up your image, then come over to your layers panel and create a new layer. This is going to allow us to work non-destructively. Next, with this pixel layer selected, come over to the inpainting brush tool. You will see it on your brush tool panel over here, and then come up to this setting here where it says current layer and below. Yours may say current layer, and set this to current layer and below. This is going to tell Affinity to sample this layer, allowing us to work non-destructively, and we're not going to affect this layer. Next, to resize your brush, you can use your open and close bracket keys. Alternatively, you can come up to more up here and make changes to your brush as you see fit. I'm going to close this for now. Next, to remove these items from our image, I'm just going to size my brush up to an appropriate size. If you're working with a detailed image, it may help you to do each part one at a time, like so. You just brush over, select like I have there, and as we can see there, it's removed that item. In some cases, you may get away with doing the entire thing in one go. As we can see here, I'm brushing over these trees, I'm brushing over these shadows, and when I let go, this is going to fill in that area with the inpainting brush tool. As we can see there, that's done a great job, but if you want to be really picky with it, you can see sort of the outlines of where the trees were. If you want to really fine tune this, you can brush over these outlines just to fine tune them ever so slightly and make them look a little bit better. But with that complete, we can come over to our pixel layer that we originally created and see the data that is in here from the inpainting brush tool. Now if I toggle this eye off and on, we can see the difference that that has made to our image, and that's all there is to it.